Hello, my name is Agribusiness. Welcome to the Farm Global Technologies Portal. Farm Global is your number one agricultural agribusiness value chain portal in Nigeria. It is also known as the Farmers Portal. So we have a whole lot of features on the Farm Global Portal. It's a very robust system. Very robust system. So Farm Global is Nigeria's one-stop agricultural agribusiness portal to connect producers, existing farmers, young aspiring farmers, actors, players, and all agricultural stakeholders to agricultural resources, information, and opportunities by making use of sound, cutting-edge technologies to bring about maximum agricultural yield. So we have a whole lot of features on the Farm Global portal. We have the library, we have the farm monitoring system, which is the calendar, we have the courses, we have the marketplace, we have the market data and analytics, we have our funding scheme, we have our business plan section, we have the agri software and equipment, we have the membership, we have the community, which is the forum, we have the extension services, we have the event and news. So it's a very robust system. So this is our services. The library is the extensive agricultural database aggregating resources from across Nigeria and the world to help assist and existing and aspiring farmers in their production. We have the calendar. The calendar is that part where information on specific crops and livestock can be requested through a mobile app, so SMS or web portal, by registering on our portal's calendar. This will help farmers to monitor activities on their farm. Information is provided here on best farming practices, input and output delivery, health, available markets, weather forecasts, farming techniques, and the likes. Our courses, we provide online and offline courses, trainings with on-farm demonstration and farm sector. We have the agri software and equipment. We can help you get started on software and equipment you are curious about. We also build customized apps for your agribusiness to enhance productivity. The marketplace is where farmers and buyers, they connect together. So we serve as the middleman between the farmers and the buyers. So here farmers can sell their products, and if you're an agricultural stakeholder too, you can sell your agri input and other products like vaccines, drugs, and the likes. We have the extension service, we have the market data analysis. Our extensive market research covers all farming types and farming practices. We also conduct regular survey on Nigerian farmers, which is an approach to understanding the mood and market dynamics of the agricultural sector. Our market research program can be customized to meet client business needs, as well as build market entry strategies in the Nigerian agricultural sector. Here we provide survey data and reports. So we have the event and news, we have the community. So here you can ask, exchange ideas, ask questions, connect with other agricultural stakeholders, and share knowledge online. Our funding scheme. So here we connect our trained farmers to investors. Then the business plan section, we help people to write customized business plan with full financial projections ranging from 3 years, 5 years, 10 years financial projection. So this is the dashboard. Before you can be able to use the dashboard, you have to be a registered user. So what you just need to do is, after registering, it will take you straight to the dashboard. On the dashboard, so you can access all our services here. So we have different categories in the library section. We have the financial parts, we have the farm business plan, we have the marketing, we have the farm leasing, we have the dairy, cattle, beef, we have the soil, organic farming, technology. What you just need to do is that if you need any information as regards this, just click on any of this category and you get the information you need. And if we have useful information that you can post to us, all you just need to do is click on request to post a video, and your video will be uploaded if it meets all the criteria for uploading the videos. Then we have the calendar. The calendar is where you register your animal and crops. So as you can see, what you want to farm, animal and crop. So you click on the animal section if you want to register your animal. We have the livestock, we have the poultry, we have the fishery. So you can register it, and it will give you automated daily notifications as well your feeding regime, the vaccination, the drugs, and whatever management practices you need to do daily concerning the animal or crop. So we have the webinar. The webinar is where we hold live courses, live trainings and courses online. We have the marketplace, we have the forum, we have the weather forecast, business plan, weather forecast. We give you daily weather updates and so much more. So why don't you come on board and join us today? So it's a very robust system, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you.